Patrick Hicks here with another Craig Tech tip. Today we're going to be going over joystick operation on loader wing joysticks. Okay, so we're going to operate Craig joystick here, and our joystick is pretty simple. It's got a trigger as well as two rocker switches on it, along with a couple of buttons. The button on your left is your float button that lets the rear of the wing float with the contours of the road, and your other two switches are your primary functions, which are your basically your up and down. So first I'm going to pick it up. Now for this you can just rock both switches back at the same time, and as we can see, our wing is picking up. Normally you want to pick your rear post up further than your front. And this puts me up in carry position, and I can drive around. So now my wing's up, and if I've reached where I need to put the wing down to go plowing, two ways you can do this. You can let the back function down, or I'm going to let this one down halfway, and I'm going to push the float button. Now you'll see with the float button pressed, as long as the mold board or the blade of the wing is on, it's going to, the wing is going to sink on its own. This has just opened up the A and B ports on the lift cylinder, and I'm just going to lower my front post in accordingly. So now my wing is in float, and it'll follow the contours of the road up and down. Now a lot of times float isn't, float's not the only function on our wing. Our extend function is just as important. So to get your second couple of functions, you want to pull your trigger, as well as move your first rocker switch out. Now that opens up my telescopic cylinder, which is the extend or the slide cylinder. Now when I'm out plowing, and let's say I come up on a curb or something that I didn't know was there, we do have a button, the secondary button, which is our emergency up button. This is on the right side of the joystick. And when you're going along and encounter an obstacle, you immediately need the wing to raise. You press that button, and as long as it's being pressed, it will activate full flow to the front post and rear lift cylinders, picking up your wing and hopefully avoiding whatever obstacle was in the way.